How to change your theme on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your theme on Discord. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner and just click on this settings at the top right corner, which is a settings gear icon. And from over here, scroll down until you see the option called appearance under app setting. So just tap on this appearance button over here and just click on theme. You can see your theme is on set to dark, so you can actually select accordingly. You may as well need a premium version or nitro version of the Discord to actually be able to use these other types of features, that is your different types of colorful themes. So now for now I'll just simply select a light and just click on back, and just like that I've successfully changed my theme on Discord. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.